This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the account and connection basics so nothing upstream blocks NordVPN. Sign out and sign back in, then run the app as administrator. This resolves token or permission issues. Once done, update the NordVPN client and your operating system so protocol mismatches won't occur. Make sure your device clock is exact because certificate checks fail with wrong time. If internet itself fails, reboot the router and test with another device to isolate the problem. Once basic checks pass, move into network-level troubleshooting because many failures are protocol or DNS related. You should change the VPN protocol, try Nord links first, then open VPN UDP and TCP to see which one connects. Different routes behave differently under ISP constraints. Disable IPv6 in your network adapter and set DNS manually to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Then flush the DNS cache. Make sure firewall or antivirus hasn't blocked. To finish, do a clean reinstall. Uninstall NordVPN, remove leftover app data and network adapters, then reboot and install the latest client. You must reinstall the TAP or WireGuard driver when prompted. This fixes corrupt virtual adapters. After reinstall, try connecting with a mobile hotspot to check whether your ISP is blocking VPN traffic. If it still fails, generate diagnostic files, contact NordVPN support. And as a key troubleshooting tip, test a manual WireGuard configuration or different port ranges to bypass ISP filtering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.